What's happening, guys? They've already did the timing set. My timing was off. I'll insert the pictures for you guys here in a minute. The timing is already done. Now they're just getting the mounts on. I mean, these are spicy. These are spicy boys. And of course, automatic. Can't complain with that. And got a race car sticker. Yep. But I mean, if you look at the belt, it doesn't look horrible. But again, it was off by 2 teeth. And if this is the belt that was put on by the dealership, that was over 9 years ago and about 60-70K. Can't complain. That does not look horrible. I've definitely seen some Honda boys look worse than that. But yeah, this was a day coming since March of this year. It's been very tiring, but yeah, look at those. They got some fast race cars here. I mean, yeah, the C5 Corvette that I was taking some clips of and got that Caliber Customs video before for Global Time Attack at Buttonwillow is over here, and they got another Corvette over here that they're taking care of as well. I'm just trying not to get in people's way, let them do their work, and get my little glamour shots, as you can call it. Anyways, this is what I am driving right now. Mikey was blessing me enough to lend me this. I'm thankful for the people in my life, really, because all of this happened because of autocross. If it wasn't for me going to autocross, taking photos, I think it was like 3 years ago, I wouldn't have met the people that I know. I've met Mikey, met everyone that I know as far as doing everything that I'm doing in California now. And it's just one of those things where everything happens for a reason. Hard work to pay to get my car done here. Yeah, I could have gone to somewhere cheaper. I don't care about that though. These are what they fucking work on, guys. Come on. Why wouldn't I want to get my car done here? It's a stupid question. It's a stupid ass question. But yeah, so mounts are being put on, and I don't think I'm gonna get the car today, which is fine. I have to go get Damien in a little bit, but this has definitely done its job. Everything has stayed tight. Can't complain. No leaks on this car whatsoever, and you can tell there is no rust. Look at this. I will here put the flash on. People tell me about how there's always rust on these cars. I will flex that this shit has none, at least to my eye. Look at that. Probably an exhaust, but that's gonna happen. But I'll stay out of your way, Ray. Sorry.
No, you're good.
No rust. I'm flexing it. This is an old ass Subaru, and everyone that gets these cars always bitch about how rusty they are, how leaky they are. 180K almost.
And this is not an exception.
But yeah, so my car's in good hands. That's what matters. I gotta go get Damien in a few and go on with my day. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy I got my car done here. And again, these boxes right here have been sitting, let me see, right over here on this shelf, right over there, and collecting dust, but getting cleaned by Mikey, of course. But I'm happy. I'm tired because it's taking me some time to get here, but it's here, guys. It's really freaking happening. So catch you guys in the next video.